friends, it's Amanda, the tween assistant from Spartanburg County Public Library, the Woodruff branch. Today we're going to be making DIY How to Train Your Dragon bookmarks. So to make your How to Train Your Dragon bookmarks, you'll need some oversized popsicle sticks, some assorted foam paper, some glue, assorted colors of paint, assorted colors of markers and or Sharpies, some safety scissors, and some paintbrushes. Most of these items can be found in your local dollar store. So the first step to make your How to Train Your Dragon bookmarks is to paint the popsicle stick the desired color of your dragon. Today I'm going to be making Toothless, so I'll be painting him black. You can use this time to go ahead and cut out the head of your dragon using the appropriate foam paper. Toothless's head, I'm going to cut out his eyes. Toothless has some bright green eyes, so I'm going to use this green foam paper to cut out his eyes. Now that I've finished cutting out Toothless's eyes, I'm going to draw dots on them for his pupils. Now that I've drawn the dots on his eyes, I can go ahead and attach the eyes to his head. So once the glue dries, then you'll have your finished product. And here we have Toothless. You can also change up the different colors of paint and foam to create different characters. Here we have Black Fury, and over to the side we have Fast Fin, also a character from How to Train Your Dragon. So I hope you enjoyed making the bookmark with me, and I hope that we'll see each other soon.